In this video, we will cover the Excel exporting feature found within the Data tab. This feature will produce an Excel report of the raw data like response time, accuracy, and score found on a created or free activity. In this video, we will look at an Excel report on a created activity. First, activate the client, patient, or student that you produce data on for this activity. Now select the Data tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the activity you wish to look at by clicking on the list symbol at the top right of the screen. Select the first tab that appears, then click on Activity. Select the second tab that appears, then click Is. Select the third tab that appears, then click on the name of the activity you wish to view. In this video, the activity is called Track the Color, Sit to Stand. These activities are alphabetically organized and contain all of the created and free activities within the SMARTfit app. Click on the View Statistics tab. Here, you'll be able to select the timestamp of the attempts near the middle of the screen. For example, the 1D button indicates all attempts completed within 24 hours, while 1W indicates all attempts completed within 1 week. 1M indicates 1 month, 3M indicates 3 months, and 1Y equals 1 year. You can now see 7 data points played within 1 year. Select the list symbol at the top right of the screen. Here are all 7 attempts with the average statistics on each attempt. You can also see the timestamp in order of which they are played. Select the bottom data set to produce an Excel report for all 7 attempts. Now select the Excel symbol at the top right of the screen. You can zoom in here on your tablet and take a closer look at each attempt. You can analyze the hit totals, followed by the target that the player struck, the target the player should have struck, the points scored during that strike, the response time for each strike, followed by the timestamp and game ID. Scrolling down the page will reveal the data on the remaining 6 attempts. To export the Excel file, select the export symbol at the top right of the screen.